The question about Maya's skills and capabilities. Her skills and capabilities, by her past experience and the current way she's dealing with the situation, show that her skill in terms of her core domain of sales, she is behind her targets, she wants to achieve her targets. And in terms of her capabilities, she is going out and analyzing what could have made her not achieve her targets. So her skills and capabilities are fair enough. The only thing is that her skills and capabilities are limited to assessing what is there, and when it comes to strategic solutions and going beyond that level, from her past experience, she has had the support or she has looked for support from her boss. So that the skill in terms of finding out a solution for a problematic situation is she is trying to find a solution from someone else. So that skill of, the next level of problem solving probably is a skill that she needs to acquire. The second thing is that her skills and capabilities, like any other skill and capability, are exhibited in a much better manner or exhibited to its fullest potential in predominantly an environment that is fueling her performance, and in terms of the support from her boss and the support in the market. But when it comes to performance or the exhibition of the skills and capabilities in any kind of an environment is again a layer of another layer of skill sets probably that she needs to work on. Then coming to the fact that whether she has to change, what we feel is that she tends to get influenced by external factors, and she seems to be dealing with the current situation in a more emotional manner. So trying to disassociate the emotions in terms of her saying that, her feeling that what could happen, what other things could happen. So disassociating the other components and just looking at what is needed. Dissociating emotions could be one of the change components that she could look at.